Guys, today I'm going to be showing you my filming setup, and we're using the camera's audio. It's going to be shit, and also I took the liberty of not setting up at all, cleaning up, so that you could see how the actual setup is. Anyway, so we're going to start off with the backdrop. So you are facing the back of my little setup right now. This backdrop I did get from Amazon. This is another separate situation. So basically this is like this is our second bedroom. And this is like what I call the studio office. I don't actually know what to call it. But, so I have this little, I basically have the whole room. And then my boyfriend has a bunch of music stuff over on the other side. So I will link all of the products, or if I can't find the exact ones, I will try to link similar ones down below so that you can, you know, whatever, if you're looking for specific things. So anyway, we're gonna start basics. Like I said, frame, got that on Amazon. Cannot remember how much it was, but it wasn't super expensive. Same deal with these guys. I got some clamps for the backdrops themselves on Amazon. I can't remember if anything came with I think these orange ones came with the set. Yeah, but they're not the best. They all had these rubber like protective. I can't do that because you're gonna hear it. Oh, they all had these like rubber protective things, and they pretty much all broke off, which is fun. So anyway, the fabric that I'm using as my backdrop, you can see I have like a blue one layered on top of the pink right now. I kind of just been switching those out. Nothing specific, not actual backgrounds per se. I buy them from a fabric store. I like to get something that's stretchy so you can stretch it out. And then I have a steamer so I can go in and like steam out all the wrinkles. And I try to have it like, I'll move it back basically if I am filming, so that there's like a little bit more of a blur, so that if I don't feel like steaming it really well, it's not that big a deal. I don't know why I started doing this light back here, but I did. This is a mini ring light that was a gift to me from the people who own Stellar Lighting Systems. They're amazing, they're fantastic. Every time I see them, they're just like the sweetest people. So they gifted me this little mini ring light, and I've used it like a bunch of times in different scenarios, and recently I just started doing this. I don't know, I'm experimenting. I'm by no means an expert on this shit, you know what I mean? I don't think that it came on this stand. This might have been something that I had before. I don't know. I have accumulated a lot of items in the years that I've been doing YouTube. Okay, so here's the other side. So I have that guy on right now. That's my little mini ring light. And then this is the blue part. So I basically just like stretch the shit out so that you can't see, you know, as many wrinkles. There's cat hair all over it. Oh my god. You should see the bottom. Here, I'll show you the bottom. Oh my god, can you see all that cat hair? Doesn't matter. Anyway, so this is my little backdrop light. So I use that to create the glow behind me. Sometimes when I move you can see it, which really bothers me. It's fine. It's got duct tape on it because my brother broke it when he was using it for something. That's really cool. Thank you so much. I got this little guy right over here from Amazon. It's just like I think it's like a medical cart, but I had so much stuff. And the desk does not hold it. Like I said, I did not clean shit, so... Oh, fuck. No, don't do that. No. Here is the actual filming setup. So I have this rolling desk. See? Do you see the mess that I have created here that I'm not going to clean up at some point? Anyway, so this is where I actually sit. This rolling desk is from Amazon. I wanted something on wheels so that I could like move it around if I wanted to film somewhere else. I don't really do that much, but whatever. This is an IKEA chair, $8. Great investment. It's not at all. I just recently got these like whiteboards. They're basically just like foam boards. I got them on Amazon. Pretty much all the shit's from Amazon, by the way. I was experimenting with lighting. Again, I'm no expert, so I'm still just trying to kind of figure it out. The ring light, again, I think it's by Neewer. That's how you say it. I will try to link it, but I don't suggest buying from them because pretty much anytime I've purchased a light from them, it comes broken, which is super fun. So I have had that for a really long time and it has served me relatively well, but I'm not wild about them. Anyway, the soft boxes came in a set. These, and then there's like this light back here. There's supposed to be a soft box on top of that, but I don't even know where that is, honestly. The fuck is that? But anyway, I never use that. It's supposed to be like an overhead light, and it takes up so much room, and you're supposed to have sandbags on it to keep it steady, and it's just too much. It takes up too much room. Anyway, so that's some like extra random bullshit over there. Umbrellas, which I don't really use anymore. I did get some umbrella lights. That was like what I first started with when I like actually purchased lights, and I don't know, they're not that great. Oh man, there's a lot of stuff to go over here, you know? So I've got my 2 soft boxes, which come with 4 light bulbs, and you can choose to like turn 2 on and have 2 off, which is nice. This is a dimmable ring light. My tripod where my camera goes is back there. This is my, who's this by? Fancy is the mirror that I use. I have this little monitor from however you say that. I don't know, I got that on Amazon. Everything's from Amazon. You want to make sure that you have all the correct cables, by the way. I purchased this guy. This is just a little extra tripod that I had already. It's not really a tripod, but I purchased this light from Amazon. It's cool because, oh, there's no batteries in it, hold on. It's cool because it comes with a bunch of like filters for it. So here's the red one, obviously, and wait, how do I turn it on? This battery can't be dead, that makes no sense. It's charged. Well, I guess while we're over here, this is this like dresser. I purchased this dresser from Wayfair. It was such a bitch to put together. So, and I've had the worst experience with Wayfair, so I personally would not recommend them, but whatever, it's serving its purpose, it's fine. But this is where I keep equipment and stuff. These are a couple of my lenses and like brushes and all that kind of bullshit, you know. My mom did these little drawings from like looks that I posted that she liked. My little BH campaign thing. I love that. And also Sigma one. I have a bunch of random stuff. Ooh, I have a bunch of random stuff up here. And yeah, so this basically just holds like a bunch of, these are like a bunch of my backdrops. So I pretty much buy just fabric, honestly. Like I think I got this from like fabrics.com or fabric.com. This might have been from Joanne Fabrics forever ago. I mostly buy them online. I have extra lights in here. I have these mini lights. I'll have to link these guys. I love this mini ring light. I got it because Katie, formerly Lustrelux, was talking about it forever ago, and it is amazing. I also got this tripod because she was talking about it. I have a bunch of extra batteries. I have this little mic that I don't even know why I bought it. This is really cool. So this light is something that I bought because Katie's husband John was talking about it, and I love it. Look how bright that shit is. What? Oh, well, it adjusts because it's on auto right now, so it doesn't look, but look at how bright it is. And you can adjust it, you can adjust the warmth and all that. It wasn't cheap, it was pretty expensive actually, but it's definitely been worth it. I use this pretty often. But yeah, so, oh, you can take the thing off. I can't get that back in there. That's fine, that's fine. So just extra stuff, dude, I'm not gonna take you through every fucking thing because like it's crazy, but like I have, you know, cords and things in there. So let's go over the lenses. Right now I'm filming on my kit lens, which came with the camera. I think this whole situation, like what am I filming on? This is the Canon EOS 80D, and the lens is an 18 to 55 millimeter. Then I bought, per my boyfriend's suggestion, this Canon 50 millimeter. I'm sorry, yeah, no, this is Canon. So this is a fixed lens, which means it does not zoom, but this is typically what I film on. Because it is incredibly clear. This was very cheap, and I mean by very cheap, it was like extremely affordable for as far as lenses go, but you can't zoom in and out. Again, everything will be linked down below. And then this is my zoom lens, which I really don't use that often. This is fucking tricky. So this is a Sigma 18 to 35 millimeter, which I totally regret purchasing. This was extremely expensive. It was at the bare minimum $600, and I just didn't understand enough about cameras when I bought it. 35 millimeters is not enough for me to like have a good zoom. I don't need it to be 18 millimeters away. So yeah, I don't know. I'm thinking about possibly selling this and getting something else. But yeah, so I've got those. That's that. Oh, I didn't show you this thing. I got this on Amazon. This might as well be a huge Amazon ad. It's to hold like iPhones. And I bought it so that I could do TikTok tutorials and also lives and stuff, you know. It's just easier to just have it there. And then ever since I got it, I haven't used it because I keep forgetting. So that's cool. I have a lot of stuff. I got these things from Target. They're just like little holders. I guess I could show you since we're here. I really don't want to show you my whole desk because it's a fucking mess. But I have these holders. It's also dark and I don't feel like fixing it. But I got these, it was those same ones from Target, and this is how I like kind of organize some of my makeup. I'm not going to do a collection video because I just think that's like the most vain and ridiculous thing in the entire world, and also I think they're boring to watch. Yeah, the room is a mess, man. It's really not that exciting. It's very basic. It took me a really long time to even get to this point where it looks like, oh, you have kind of a setup. When I first started, I was filming on my phone in front of just like a window, and that was it, just using natural lighting. So don't feel bad if, you know, that's your shit. It's totally fine. Take your time, build up your stuff, you know, slowly. I was using like a $35 IKEA desk before I got this fancy one from Amazon with wheels on it and shit. I guess that's it. It's really not that big a deal, you guys. Showing you all my mess. This is my cute little like corner. This was supposed to be inspiration, and I never look at it. It's basically just a cute way to hang jewelry. These are some of my Pat McGrath looks and my YouTube thing. I don't want to show you the whole room. It's really not that exciting, and also my desk is the messiest thing I've ever seen, but yeah, that's my filming setup. God damn, this is going to be the most boring video in the entire world. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments down below. I can, you know, maybe make some suggestions for you. I don't really know that much about like photography or filming, so don't get into detail. Alright guys, bye. What bonus? Okay, that's, yeah, that made me sick. So I cleaned up this area, and I put down that stuff that, I don't know if I showed it to you or not, but it's just this like, I almost said plastic, adhesive like foil, basically. Because like I said, I have been experimenting with bounce. Clearly, you know, lights and bounce and shit. Look at it. Doesn't it look so nice? It'll stay like that for about 20 minutes. Also, look at this professional ass application. Anyway, that's it. Now you know, and if you see a difference in my videos, you'll know why, and if you don't, you'll know that this desk is completely covered in makeup once again.